Good afternoon. It is now 12:30 now ng afternoon. So we're here at Cebu City. We just arrived like few minutes ago and we are staying here at Eloisa Royal. One night only for overnight because we have another flight for tomorrow going to Siargao. We're not going anywhere in here anymore because we're just here to like stop over lang siya. Because we're not able to get a direct ticket Cebu to Siargao, so we need to stop by at Cebu. Yun. And then later I'm gonna show you our room here at Eloisa. This is actually their cafe here. At finally nakapag-check-in na kami guys. So they allow us to check in 12:30. Usually check-in time is 2 p.m. So medyo early. Then room tour tayo. Actually maliit lang yung room. Super maliit lang siya. Pero very cozy, clean din siya. Tsaka binigay nila sa amin na room is city view siya, front na highway. Ito siya. Ito yung ano namin. So room tour tayo. So GoPro yung ginagamit ko ngayon. So you can see like everything. This is our bed. I like yung headboard nila. And ito yung favorite ko guys. Napaka-social na ano nila chair. I wanted this one. I want this one in my videos making. Like so cute. May pajamante sila dito oh. And then they also gave us this kind of binibigay to siya ng kapag nag-plane ka, sasakay ka ng plane. Pero binigay sa amin nito yung parang eye mask Dalinda. They have their vanity mirror in here. So ito lang yung flat screen TV, and then yung free coffee nila, may free water din sila. And snacks which is not free. So the fridge, the bar. So ganito, not free also. And the toilet they have here, maliit din siya. Pero malinis siya in fairness. Oh, malinis siya. Yan. Ito din. Wow! Parang rain shower to siya eh. Yung uso na ngayon. Maganda yung ano niya. Para siyang, if I could remember, yung textile niya, parang ano, sa N-Hotel. This is the view now from here. Ito na siya. Entrance na to siya eh. Entrance na ng hotel. Highway na to siya. Papunta doon is airport. The good thing also with this hotel is they have a free shuttle round trip from and to airport. So it takes like, pag hindi traffic, 10 minutes daw. Pero pag traffic, 15 minutes siya. So tomorrow we're gonna request again for transfer. Yes, I could recommend this if you are like meron kayong connection flight or yung flight nyo is the next day, yung short yung time, so you can stay here for like overnight.
They even have a free Zumba every Wednesday and Friday around 5 p.m. The outlet of all branded shoes can be found here. They also have lots of restaurants to choose from if you want to dine and chill. We choose to eat here at Budut's because we're captivated with their cool menu.
We ordered this sizzling squid. Meron silang pa-seaweeds dito. So first time ko mag-try na may seaweed sa sizzling. We also have pancit bihon, garlic bangus.
And you can enjoy their famous wool art for pictures.
Like factory in here. Sunglasses Haven. So this is the entrance going here sa outlet. This is the entrance here. Yeah. Thank you. See it here. We walk from there. So we walk from here going to this area. It have a sound.
Young, dumb,